Algorithm 1. There are 3 buttons and 2 lamps. Number 1. Pressing button 1 will turn on lamp 2. Number 2. Pressing button 2 will turn off lamp 2 and turn on lamp 1. Number 3. Pressing button 1, 1 will turn off lamp 1. Number 4. Pressing button 3 will turn off button lamps.
Algorithm 2. There are 4 buttons and 3 lamps. Point 1. Pressing button 1 and button 3 will turn on lamp 3. Point 2. Pressing button 1 and button 2 will turn on lamp 2. Point 3. Pressing button 2 and button 3 will turn on lamp 1. Point 4. Pressing button 4 will turn off all lamps. Algorithm 3. There are 3 buttons and 3 lamps. Point 1. As long as button 1 is present, all 3 lamps will be on. Point 2. If button 2 is present, lamp 1 and 3 will turn on. Point 3. If button 3 is pressed, all lamps will turn off.
Algorithm 4. There are 4 inputs and 4 outputs for a water tank visualization system. Point 1. If the vacuum sensor is activated, lamp 4 will turn on. It will turn off when sensor 3 detects. Point 2. If sensor 3 detects, lamp 3 will turn on. It will turn off if sensor 4 or sensor 2 detects. Point 3. If sensor 2 detects, lamp 2 will turn on. It will turn off if sensor 1 or sensor 3 detects. Point 4. If sensor 1 detects, lamp 1 will turn on. It will turn off if sensor 2 detects. Algorithm 5. There is a 3-phase motor connected to a curtain. The curtain has a signal tower with 3 colors: yellow, green, and red. There is sensor 1 on the floor and sensor 2 attached to the top of the curtain. There are also 2 buttons, one for opening and one for closing. Point 1. If sensor 1 and the open button are pressed, the motor will turn on until it reaches sensor 2. Point 2. If sensor 2 and the close button are pressed, the motor will reverse until sensor 1 is detected. Point 3. When the motor is activated, regardless of its direction, a red light will turn on. Point 4. When the motor is off, a green light will turn on.